Only have half a garage? You can still create a powerful home gym. With smart storage, the right layout, and just a few key pieces of equipment, you can build a space that motivates, fits your routine, and feels totally pro. Let's explore 12 clever half-garage gym ideas you'll want to try today. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a good way to personalize the vibe? Hang a vision board, playlist speaker, or your favorite quote. Choose a color scheme that energizes you. Whether industrial or cozy, making it yours builds emotional connection and encourages daily use. Feel the energy? Hit like. What's the first step in converting half a garage into a gym? Start by clearing clutter and defining your area, roughly one car's width. Lay down a rubber mat or mark your workout zone with painter's tape. Add a visual divider like curtains or shelves. This instantly sets a mental boundary that helps build a consistent workout habit. Starting fresh? Get like now. What kind of flooring works in a garage gym? Garage floors are hard and cold. Use interlocking rubber tiles or gym mats. They absorb shock, reduce noise, and protect your joints. Choose a dark color for durability and a clean look. Flooring is the foundation of comfort and safety in your training zone. Like strong starts? Tap like. What equipment fits well in half a garage? Use vertical space. A wall-mounted squat rack, foldable bench, dumbbells, kettlebells, and resistance bands all fit well. Think functional, not fancy. Choose compact, multi-use tools that deliver full-body results in minimal square footage. Love compact power? Give it a like. What about lighting for garage gyms? Garages are often dim and uninviting. Add bright LEDs or motion-activated lights. If you've got a window, maximize daylight with sheer coverings. Proper lighting not only helps with form, it lifts your energy too. Bright idea? Like this solution. How do I store weights without clutter? Install wall-mounted racks or vertical stands. Use labeled bins under benches or pegboards for small items like bands and gloves. Keeping weights off the floor reduces tripping hazards and gives your space a polished feel. Lift smart, tap like if you agree. How do I manage garage climate issues? Garages can be sweltering or freezing. Add fans for airflow, space heaters for cold days, or a portable AC unit. Insulate the door and seal windows. A gym that's comfortable year-round keeps you consistent and motivated to show up, even when the weather's not ideal. Smart setup? Like this tip. How can I keep motivation high in a garage gym? Keep things visible, your goals, your playlist, your progress. Update your wall decor or add seasonal lighting. Refreshing the vibe keeps energy high. A dynamic space keeps you coming back, day after day. Feeling fired up? Like before you go. How do I keep it organized long-term? Create a habit of resetting the space after each session. Wipe down gear, hang towels, and return everything to its place. Use open bins, hooks, and labeled shelves. A clean space feels inviting and builds discipline. Order matters? Like this tip. Can I keep this space flexible for storage too? Yes. Zone one wall for fitness and keep other shelves or ceiling racks for household items. Just make sure the gym area stays defined. Use rolling storage or stackable bins to adapt when needed without losing structure. Multi-use space? Tap like now. Can I share the space with others in the home? Definitely. Use tape or rugs to divide zones and set up a rotation or shared schedule. Store gear in separate bins to avoid confusion. Shared gyms work best when expectations are clear and the space respects everyone's goals. Shared strength, like this idea. Can cardio gear fit in this setup? Absolutely. Look for foldable treadmills, compact rowers, or stationary bikes with a small footprint. Store upright when not in use. Even a jump rope and step platform can keep your heart pumping without taking over the garage. Heart racing? Like this tip. A half garage can hold your full fitness vision. With smart setup, clear storage, and thoughtful design, even a small zone can feel expansive. Don't wait for the perfect space. Build your gym right where you are and start strong today.